Jai Hind everyone. In today's video we will study reported speech. So in reported speech you have statements, commands, requests and questions. Okay. So reported speech actually is direct and indirect speech. So first of all, I will tell you what is a speech. Words spoken by a person, words spoken by a person can be reported in two ways. That is direct and indirect speech. So direct and indirect speech, what we will learn? Changing statements. Okay, the statements can be direct, so you have to change it to indirect, or changing commands, request, or it may be a question. Okay, now we will see what is a direct speech and what is an indirect speech. Okay, so in direct speech, we quote the exact words spoken by the speaker. For example, Sohan said to Mohan, comma, inverted comma open, I am going to school. Full stop, inverted comma closed. So we are quoting the word said by the speaker. So who is the speaker here? Sohan. Sohan is the speaker and we are quoting the exact words spoken by Sohan. So this is direct speech. Now we will see what is indirect speech. Now what is indirect speech? When we give the substance of what is said by the speaker is indirect speech. We have seen the first example. Sohan said to Mohan, I am going to school. So if we convert it to indirect speech, what we will write? Sohan told to Mohan. Now we will give the substance of the words said by the speaker. Sohan told to Mohan that he was going to school. So this is the example for indirect speech. And in indirect speech, we only give the substance of whatever is told by the speaker. Okay, Sohan is the speaker. So what he told? He told that he was going to school. And in indirect speech, we don't quote the exact words spoken by the speaker. We only give the substance, that what happened. Okay, so this is indirect speech. Now let's see some rules of converting from direct to indirect speech. Okay, so these are the rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. So in indirect speech, no inverted commas are used. That I have shown you in the example. Now the conjunctions that we use in the inverted speech, that, if, whether, are generally used after the reporting verb. Okay, now see the third rule. The first word of the reported speech begins with the capital letter. So in the direct speech, when we quote the reported speech, the first letter will always be capital. Now the tense of the reporting verb is never changed. Okay. Now fifth number, the reporting verb changes according to sense. If it is a statement, then you can give told. If it is a question, then you can write asked. If it is any permission, then you can give requested. If it is any order or command, then you can write ordered. Okay. So these the reporting verb changes according to the sense of the sentence. If it is a statement, a command, request or question, so it changes accordingly. These are the rules. Now in the next class I will tell you how you will change the pronouns while changing from direct to indirect speech. Till then children, study well. Jai Hind.